Have you ever pondered over the scenario where all the oxygen on Earth disappeared for just 10 seconds? It's a daunting thought, isn't it? Well, let's delve into the science behind this hypothetical situation and explore the consequences of an oxygenless world, if only for a brief moment. The essence of life as we know it, oxygen, comprises about 21% of our atmosphere, with the majority being nitrogen. But what if this crucial element vanished, even momentarily? The immediate effects would be startling. Without oxygen, every human on the planet would lose consciousness after 15 seconds. However, if it's only gone for 10 seconds, we wouldn't pass out but would likely feel lightheaded and dizzy. Now, think about the ozone layer. It's a protective shield of oxygen molecules that guards us from the sun's harmful UV rays. In the absence of oxygen, this layer would vanish, leaving us exposed to the sun's unfiltered radiation, which could cause skin damage in as little as 10 seconds. Let's move on to the slightly more explosive consequences. Oxygen is a key ingredient in combustion. Remove it, and every burning fire from the stove in your kitchen to the sun in the sky would instantly extinguish. The sun doesn't burn through combustion, but through nuclear fusion. However, the light it emits does rely on oxygen to travel. Without oxygen, the world would plunge into darkness. But what about the Earth's structure? The Earth's crust contains a significant amount of oxygen. If that were to disappear, the ground beneath us would crumble, causing buildings, trees, and everything else standing to collapse. Now remember, this is all hypothetical. Oxygen isn't just going to disappear, but it's fascinating to imagine what would happen if it did, even if just for 10 seconds. To summarize, without oxygen, we would get dizzy, fires would extinguish, the world would go dark, the ozone layer would disappear, exposing us to harmful UV rays, and the ground beneath us would crumble. It's safe to say that oxygen is pretty vital to life as we know it. So, the next time you take a deep breath, remember the vital role oxygen plays in our lives, from the air we breathe to the very ground we walk on. It's more than just a gas, it's the lifeblood of our planet. And on that note, we'll wrap up this thought experiment. It's been a fascinating journey into the world of the unseen and the theoretical. Until next time, keep wondering, keep questioning, and most importantly, keep breathing.